Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Lizzy Espinal, Lizzy Makeup. Welcome. Today we're going to review a few cool and interesting things. And I want to let you guys know also to follow me on my Snapchat, which is Liz Espinal 85, and it's on the screen. And also, if you can follow me on my Instagram, which is Liz E201. It's on the screen also if you guys want to copy it. Please follow me. And right now we are going to review Patrick Starrr powder with MAC, and I'm going to tell you about it in a second. And we're going to review one of his lipsticks, which is called Betta Werk. Anyway, I'm going to read you guys about the powder first, and let's see the powder, what it says. It says, it's the full description. It's a colorless, ultra-fine powder that can be used to set makeup on the face or body. Silky soft texture with a matte finish beautifully stabilizes whatever makeup it is used to set and finish. Key claims and benefits. Best suited for emollient-based products, sets makeup without disturbing color, dermatologist tested, and non-acnegenic. People always say that, but I don't know how that means, but whatever. Gently apply with MAC Professional Puff or large brush. Okay. So that is about the powder. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try to put the powder on. So this is what the powder box looks like, and this is what it looks like with the powder out of the box. And the color of the powder, it is this. I want you guys to see the color, because the color has lots to do with it. It's never going to give you a white cast, ever. The color of the powder, it has a little, like, you know, a little sheen to it. So that way you know it's not going to give you a white cast. You're not going to be like, oh, look at me, my camera picture is the white cast. No, you're going to let it fly. All right, let's try the powder on, guys. I'm going to use my little Fenty mirror. That's right. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Big Powder Puff, like they said too. And I'm going to take some of the powder, and I'm going to put it in my little oily skin. Let's see. Now look at my skin now, and then look at it after. Okay, let's try now. Now guys, we're going to put the powder on. Here we go. A little more. Okay, now let's see, guys. So what do you think it looks? Let me just take a look myself too. Wow, it's really nice. I like it. It makes you look flawless, like for real. So beautiful. I love it. I had worn it before earlier, so you know my skin didn't look that bad, you know. But now we're gonna try the lipstick. And the lipstick is so freaking pretty. It's crazy. Let me show you how it looks inside. Look how pretty. That is a beautiful lipstick. And the color inside is even more pretty. Beautiful. So pretty. Now I'm going to try it on, guys. Look at my lips before the lipstick. And look at it after. And guys, this is the lipstick. Betta Werk. W-E-R-K. Werk. The lipstick, the powder, it's really good. I love it. I love both. First I was only going to get the powder, but then I saw the lipstick and I was like, that is kind of pretty. I kind of like it a lot. So I had to get both. It's really nice. I really love it. Patrick Starrr really did it. He knows exactly what looks good on us. And on all of us makeup lovers. So nice. I really love it. It's really worth it. And by the way, just so you guys know, the powder costs $34. It's like regular price for powder, but it's really nice. And I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. And it looks so good on. And this one is $17.50, like any regular lipstick at MAC. And it's so freaking pretty. Like, they should charge more for these things. They're so freaking nice. And they look so good. And I use my Wet n Wild powder brush, just so you guys know. It's so pretty too. And it's the Wet n Wild collection with these powder and like foundation and all these different brushes they have. It's so nice. Look how nice the brushes are also. It's so beautiful, and it's such an affordable price. Crazy. For the whole set. It comes in a beautiful, beautiful box. If you want to give it to somebody, it's gorgeous. But guys, I just wanted to let you guys know about the little collection, about Patrick Starr's collection with MAC. It's amazing. I heard it's limited edition. I hope they can keep it, because I really love it. Or they can keep it for a while. Or they can rerun it one more time, or whatever they do, because I love it. Please give me a thumbs up for my video. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Write down any comments you guys have for me. Anything you guys want to tell me. You guys want me to do any videos you guys want. Anything you guys want me to review, write about, let you guys know anything about anything you guys want to know. Any, you know, kind of videos you guys want to see or watch. Let me know whatever you like about my videos, what you guys don't like, everything. I'm willing to listen. Well, I'm happy you guys saw my video. I'm happy, you know, you guys are here watching it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And the review is, I give it 2 thumbs up. Patrick Starr's line with MAC is amazing. What I've reviewed, the lipstick and the powder. I don't know about everything else. I give it 5 stars. But, and it is Lizzy approved. But guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great time, you know, in the holidays. And I hope everything goes well. Thank you for watching like always. And please subscribe down below and give me the 2 thumbs up and comment. Bye.